Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best business card holder for men, the DMFLY business card holder. This sleek, metal slim business card case is designed to be both stylish and highly functional, perfect for professionals who want to make a lasting impression. Right from the start, the DMFLY business card holder impresses with its premium construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel combined with luxury PU leather, it offers a solid feel that ensures durability while maintaining a classy look. Its minimalist design in black carbon color is perfect for those who prefer a professional and sophisticated accessory that easily fits into a pocket or purse. One of the standout features of this business card holder is its RFID blocking technology. In today's world, security is a priority, and this case helps protect your personal information from unwanted RFID scanners. This advanced technology gives peace of mind by safeguarding your cards from electronic theft, which is a valuable addition to any business accessory. Capacity-wise, the DMFLY holder is impressively spacious despite its slim profile. It can hold a significant number of cards, even those made from thicker stock, making it convenient for professionals who carry various business cards or other essential cards. The case's interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize space without adding bulk. Ease of use is another highlight. Unlike traditional buckle or snap closures that can be fiddly, this holder uses a built-in magnetic closure. This means quick, effortless access to your cards while ensuring the case remains securely closed when not in use. The magnetic mechanism also contributes to the sleek appearance, keeping the case looking clean and elegant at all times. Overall, the DMFLY business card holder offers a perfect blend of style, security, and practicality. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, conference, or networking event, this card holder will help you present your cards confidently. Its combination of durable materials, RFID protection, generous capacity, and smooth magnetic closure makes it a top choice for any professional man. If you're looking for a reliable and refined business card case that complements your professional image, the DMFLY business card holder is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest product reviews.